What's up, Reader fam? It's Rosreg back at you again. And today I'm going to be reviewing an app called Canva. And basically this is an app where you can create YouTube thumbnails, YouTube intros and outros for your videos. You can create social media posts, all sorts of stuff. And I'm really glad to have this app because I believe this app is going to revolutionize my YouTube channel for years to come. So to begin with, I'm gonna go ahead and make a YouTube thumbnail because I gotta have a thumbnail for this YouTube video. It's gonna look boring without a thumbnail, I guarantee you. So I'm gonna type in YouTube thumbnail. Oh, there we go. And there are a variety of choices. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a thumbnail design that I like. Alright, this is the thumbnail that I want to have. So I'm going to go ahead and make edits to this thumbnail because I gotta have to put it in my style. So I'm going to click edit. I'm going to go ahead and type some letters. Alright, there's my text. Now I'm going to go ahead and change some colors, and I'm going to go ahead and change the color. I'm going to go and reflect the theme of my YouTube channel onto this thumbnail because you gotta have a good theme. And there we go. I've changed the colors to reflect it to my color scheme for my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to need an image. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of myself. I'm kind of curious if I can add the Canva logo onto this thing because I want to see how that goes. I mean, it's a thumbnail, but I feel like I gotta have the Canva logo somewhere. Actually, no, I don't really like this picture. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this random picture. Alright, I have replaced the image. I have my thumbnail and it's ready to go. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this thumbnail or save it as an image. And as the design starts to save into your camera roll, I'm gonna go and get that thumbnail. And here's my thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and use it in this video. Well, Rosreg, you created the thumbnail for your YouTube video. Big deal, what's next? Hold on, I got something else. On Canva, you can also create YouTube intros and outros. I'm gonna go ahead and create an intro for my YouTube videos, even though I'm not really gonna use it. I'm only gonna use it for the purpose of this video. Here we are, we have YouTube intro into the search bar, and I'm looking for something. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Super Falcon YouTube intro. So here we are. As you can see, it kind of looks cool, but there's some things I want to change. I want to change the background picture. I want it to reflect my YouTube channel. So here we go, we changed the colors, and I am going to change the font text as well. All of them. Alright, now we got our intro, and we can go ahead and save it. Alright, so the design has been saved. Now I can view it, and let's see what we got. That's cool. That's a cool intro to say the least. I took out the music because I don't want any copyright strikes or something. And even maybe the songs are royalty free, but I still don't want really any music in them, so I just left it mute. So there's a YouTube intro. There's a lot of opportunity to do here on Canva. There's animated social media, Instagram posts. There's also a logo for you can make for your business if you have one. Facebook post. You can also make flyers. You can make posters. You can make photo collages. You can make a lot of things on Canva. So I suggest you try it out and download the app for yourself and see what you got. Before I end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and create another logo for my YouTube channel. What if I had another logo kind of video? Alright, so after like minutes of searching for a good looking logo, I finally came upon one. And as usual, you can go ahead and edit the text, the colors, the designs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Here we go. Make some quick edits. And I want the color to be changed. Alright, there we go. Just one more quick edit. And here we go, my redesigned logo. Although I prefer to keep my current logo because I'm only making this just for the YouTube video that I'm making here right now. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Canva app for you. I highly suggest you download it from Google Play or the App Store. There are a lot of amazing things to do on Canva. You can create YouTube intros, you can create YouTube outros, you can create thumbnails, you can create social media posts on Instagram or Facebook, you can create photo collages, invitations, posters, and flyers. There's so many things to do on Canva, so I highly suggest you check it out. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like, a comment if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe. This is Rosreg, signing out.